Welcome to episode 47 of the TCM Board Formula series. Today we review Yin Qiao San, Honeysuckle and Forsythia Powder. Its category is release warm wind from the exterior. The memory hook is fever, thirst, and sore throat with only slight aversion to wind is the classic warm wind picture. The cover shows every ingredient and returns at the end for visual recall. This is TCM education, not individualized diagnosis or prescribing. Yin Qiao San contains Jin Yin Hua a honeysuckle flower, Lian Qiao a forsythia fruit, Dou Chi a field mint, Niu Bang Zi a burdock fruit, Jing Jie a schizonepeta herb, Dou Chi a fermented soybean, Jie Geng a platycodon root, Zhu Ye a lophotherum leaf, Sheng Gan Cao a raw licorice root, Liu Gen a reed rhizome. Its primary actions are disperse warm wind, clear heat and toxicity, benefit the throat. Do not memorize the ingredients as an isolated list. Connect each herb to the formula strategy, then ask why this architecture fits the mechanism better than the closest look-alike formula. Organize the hierarchy. Chief, Jin Yin Hua a honeysuckle flower, Lian Qiao a forsythia fruit. Deputy, Dou Chi a field mint, Niu Bang Zi a burdock fruit, Jing Jie a schizonepeta herb, Dou Chi a fermented soybean. Assistants, Jie Geng a platycodon root, Zhu Ye a lophotherum leaf, Liu Gen a reed rhizome. Envoy, Sheng Gan Cao a raw licorice root. This hierarchy reveals the main therapeutic direction, supporting actions, and how the formula balances or guides its effects. The target pattern is early-stage warm disease at the defensive level. Look for fever with slight aversion to wind, thirst and sore throat, cough or headache. The tongue is red tip with a thin white or yellow coat. The pulse is floating and rapid. On-board questions, the mechanism, symptom cluster, tongue, pulse, and treatment strategy must agree. One isolated symptom is not enough. Differentiate the nearest look-alikes. Sang Juyin a Euro cough is more prominent and the presentation is milder. Ma Xing Shigan Tang a Euro deeper lung heat with wheezing. Gui Ji Tang a Euro wind cold with spontaneous sweating but little thirst or sore throat. Start with hot versus cold, excess versus deficiency, and exterior versus interior. Then decide whether qi, blood, phlegm, dampness, or water is the dominant mechanism. The feature that changes the treatment strategy usually decides the answer. Safety belongs in every formula review. Licorice can affect blood pressure, potassium, heart rhythm, and several medications when exposure is substantial or prolonged. Use only after a qualified pattern assessment. The same formula name can hide major product and dose differences. Severe chest pain, neurologic change, dehydration, blood in stool or urine, breathing difficulty, or persistent fever needs medical evaluation. Verify identity, processing, dose, product quality, the complete medication and supplement list, and a monitoring plan. A shared formula name does not guarantee that commercial products have identical composition or concentration. 60-second recall. Formula, Yin Qiao San. Chief, Jin Yin Hua a honeysuckle flower, Lian Qiao a forsythia fruit. Pattern, early-stage warm disease at the defensive level. Actions, disperse warm wind, clear heat and toxicity, benefit the throat. One-line memory, fever, thirst, and sore throat with only slight aversion to wind is the classic warm wind picture. First differential, Sang Juyin a Euro cough is more prominent and the presentation is milder. Say these points aloud before moving to the final cover. Here is the complete ingredient cover again. Name each herb from its image, then state the pattern, actions, and top differential. This concludes Yin Qiao San. Save it for spaced repetition, and connect exam memory with qualified, safe clinical judgment.